Grade 1, St. Rose, Sophie Elizabeth Pico and Canelo Seth Atienza.
From grade 1, St. Agnes, Olivia Zambia Quijano and Jaden Angelo Polito.
From grade 2, St. Therese, Sophia Bailoses and Macaulay Smith.
Kiara Adriel Bautista and Samuel Hernandez. And
Tamara Claire Mercurio and John Paul